And we're getting some breaking news coming in. India opposes Asian Development Bank loan to Pakistan. India raises Pak loan issue with top development bank. India slams bailouts for failed terror state. India has said Pakistan's economy is fragile. It is a credit risk for ADB. Pakistan using bailouts to push terror. That's the breaking news that's just coming in on this story. India has opposed the proposal for extending loans by the Asian Development Bank for Pakistan. India has said that Pakistan has been using bailouts to push terror. It has also said that Pakistan's economy is fragile and that is why it is a major credit risk for the Asian Development Bank. India is asking the bank not to extend a loan to Pakistan. Aishwarya Paliwal joins me live on this story. Aishwarya, India seems to be opposing the grant of loan to Pakistan. What more do we know?
Well, Anisha, one thing is very, very clear. The government, in fact, has given a full dossier to the ADB, telling the ADB what exactly will be done with regards to the funds that it is now looking at giving to Pakistan. In fact, India has also mentioned all those places from when Pakistan has received funds from ADB and instead of development, because that's the promise that Pakistan has been making on the global platform, that the money that it is getting, all that money will actually go for the development. But that is not true. This money, in fact, is then being used to fund terrorism, which not only India is facing, but on a global level, a lot of other countries are also facing terrorism, which is starting from Pakistan. The government, very, very clear, has in fact also given all the documents to the ADB and is telling them that if you give this loan, then be rest assured that this money will be used for terror funding, and return of the loan is also something that Pakistan will not be able to do. Just a look at Pakistan's economy will tell you how the tax collection has fallen down over the past 4 years. So all these details now clearly being given by the Indian government to the ADB.
Thanks a lot for that, Aishwarya Paliwal.